Greetings and welcome back to my channel, 𝙤𝙘�23. Today we're making a pineapple and coconut cake. I'm going to start off by separating 5 eggs and then beat the egg whites until they're stiff, after which I'll just set them aside for later. Next, I'm going to cream together the butter and the sugar until they're both pale in color, after which I'll be adding the egg yolks one at a time, making sure each egg yolk is well incorporated before adding the next. Once all the egg yolks have been incorporated and the mixture is uniformed in color, I'm then going to alternate between adding my dry and wet ingredients. Our final ingredient are beaten egg whites, and I'm just going to gently fold them into the batter, making sure not to over mix. For the filling, I'm mixing together some crushed pineapple with cream cheese frosting and some toasted desiccated coconut. Once the cakes are completely cooled, I then go ahead and top one of the cakes with my filling, making sure to get all the way to the edges. I finish off the cake by covering it in cream cheese frosting and toasted desiccated coconut. hope you all enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, comment and like. Until next time, blessings.